What's up guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rajat Gupta. Today in this video we'll talk about how to disable and turn off your full screen random pop-up ads on your Samsung or Android phones. So recently one of my friends actually came across this problem. His phone was infected with the adware, so that's why he was getting like random ads, like full screen ads on his phone. So whenever he used to work on his GPS, his phone actually filled the screen with random pop-up ads. So the cause of the problem is actually your phone is infected with an adware that is from some app you just recently installed, and the solution is really simple. You just have to uninstall that app, right? However, it's not that easy because you don't know which app is that. So we'll be doing that in this video. So I have three suggestions for you how to determine which app is that, so that you can actually uninstall that app and get rid of that. So let me set up my devices and I'll walk you through how you can do that. So let me show you what the current situation is. This is my friend. He's actually working on his GPS app, and for this example we're just navigating to some random place. It doesn't matter like what we are entering, but whenever we turn on GPS and we actually do a quick call, we're just calling someone in this video, and you just give it like a couple of minutes, and you see like this is the ad we're talking about. This is the full screen ad on your Samsung phone. This is a Samsung S8 Plus, and this is the ad that we come across. Like, this is a Google ad and we don't know what to do. The only thing that we can do right here is actually to click on the cross button and exit out, but let's not do it, and let's discuss the solution to this problem. So the first solution that I have to determine what app is that is to actually click on the most recent button on your bottom left, because ad is also treated as an app. So, and when you click that, you see that this is the step tracker app which my friend has installed on his phone that is creating this ad. And as you saw, we just used the GPS and the call feature, but we didn't use this step tracker app. And now let's discuss the solution number 2 to actually determine what app is that. And for that you need to go to your Play Store, because Play Store also lets you know your most recent apps. Let me close out the GPS, go to your My Apps, and now we'll be clicking on the install button, and you see like these are all the apps that are installed on the phone. Let's sort the apps by the last used, and you can see that step tracker is also listed here. Let me straighten the phone. This app, there is no reason for this app to actually show, because we just used the maps feature, the GPS, and also the call, but we didn't use the step tracker. So this confirms that this is the culprit. So let's go ahead and uninstall this app to see that if it actually works. Click on the uninstall button, click OK, and this app is uninstalled. Let's go and try the same process again, the same flow. So I'm gonna try the same flow again. Let's start the GPS. Actually, why don't we start the GPS from start? So I'm gonna close the GPS and close all the apps and start the GPS now, like what we did for the first time. So just enter some random address, start the GPS, start the navigation, and then we're gonna go back and try the call feature again. Okay, let's disconnect and give it like a couple of minutes. So far so good. So far so good again. And I believe this is actually fixed because we're not seeing the ads. And this used to be the case because whenever we actually run this flow, we used to see the ads. So if we are not seeing the ads for like this long, it actually means that we have actually solved this issue. Okay, let's close everything and let's try the flow again, once again, just to confirm that the issue is fixed. So we're gonna go and put some random address and start the navigation. Okay, let's try calling someone again. Alright, we can disconnect and just wait for the ad to appear. By this time I believe the ad would have already shown, but it's not showing anymore, and even on the second try. So that means our issue is fixed. And in case those two solutions didn't work for you, the third solution is actually to install Malwarebytes anti-malware from your Play Store. Malwarebytes anti-malware is the one of the best anti-malware out there. It's actually very reputed. I trust that a lot. And just install the Malwarebytes anti-malware. It's for free from your Play Store, and just scan your phone with that. I'm sure, like, it will come up with some app, which is actually infectious with an adware, and you can then uninstall that app from your phone. Let me know in the comments below, which solution of these three worked for you. And I hope this video was useful for you. And if it was, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be sharing more cool videos on the same lines. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.